Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. A lot of people are injured in accidents and don't really need to contact or hire an attorney to help them with their case. And a lot of these people will be contacted at some point in time by the insurance company for the at-fault party, and a lot of those people will be made settlement offers. So I thought I would shoot this video to discuss what a person who receives a settlement offer directly from an insurance company might want to consider before they agree to accept the offer. The first thing that you should understand if you receive an offer from an insurance company is what they're going to expect in return. And what they're expecting in return is for you to sign what's called a general release. A general release is a binding contract between you and the insurance company and their insured, the person who hit you, that basically says that in exchange for them paying you X amount of dollars, that you agree that your case is fully and finally over and that you're never going to come back and ask for any money for any reason whatsoever. I recently shot a video discussing in more detail general releases, and I'll leave the link to that in the description below and as well as a link in the upper right hand corner of this video. The thing about signing a general release is you need to be really sure that you have a complete understanding of your medical picture before you even consider signing a release. You need to understand where you are now and what your condition might be later. You don't want to sign a release and then somehow have your medical condition deteriorate, because once you sign the release, like I said before, you can't come back and ask for more money or change the terms of the release. So it doesn't benefit you at all to settle your case without really understanding your medical picture. From a legal perspective, there's no need for anyone to rush into a personal injury settlement. The statute of limitations in a personal injury case is 4 years. So if an insurance company reaches out to you a week or two or a month or two after your accident, there's no need for you to take the money now thinking that if you don't take it, you'll never get any money. If you decide you do want to entertain an offer from an insurance company, you need to understand that usually insurance companies never make their best offer their first offer. And when we handle personal injury claims, typically there's a lot of back and forth negotiation that goes on before we all agree to a final number. So just because they call and make you an offer that might sound good to you at that moment, you don't have to accept it immediately. It would probably be in your best interest to haggle a little bit, to test them and to see how much more money you might be able to get before you finally agree to resolve your case. If you have any questions regarding a Florida personal injury case or how to conduct negotiations with an insurance company, reach out to us. We are happy to answer questions. You can contact us by calling our office at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even instant message us through the Facebook app.